The first step is to play the video by clicking on it. The second step is to sit and watch it for at least 10 seconds. The final step is to take your profits and cash them out. I'd like you to have a look at all of these videos right now because they will help you earn a lot of money on the internet. In today's video, I'll be showing you a method that will help you earn money online, and that method includes watching videos. It is the most common and easiest way to earn money online today, so many people are doing it nowadays, and it is becoming a common thing to do. This is something to consider if you're thinking about how much money you can make from viewing videos. If you sit and watch for an hour, you may easily make up to $68. It is possible to make more than $136 by simply watching for 2 hours. You may also earn $204 if you watch for 3 hours. You may repeat this process as many times as you like. This is super easy to do, and the steps to complete this method and earn money are very simple. Even a toddler can do this, so you do not need to worry about how complicated it's going to be. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone, and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be utilizing for today is swingbox.com, which is a new one. As you can see on this reputable and sustainable website, you may get paid every 15 seconds if you participate. And there are several videos and channels that you may watch in order to earn money online, with the earning potential of each one being virtually limitless. As soon as you finish watching this very simple video, which will play after this 10-second advertisement, I'll teach you how to earn money by repeating the process, which is precisely how all of these individuals earn a lot of money on this website every single day. Also, you can earn money here for free by doing a variety of tasks. These tasks include viewing ads, which gives you 3 cents per click, playing ClickScrig, which can give you up to $1 directly into your account balance, watching YouTube videos, completing offers, and joining their affiliate system where you can refer new members and multiply your earnings. But of course, we will be focusing on watching videos, but I will give you a brief description of the other methods while we are at it. They are very generous to their members here on this website. They give special benefits to new and old members, and these includes earning up to 3 cents per click, giving a 2-cent sign-up bonus, earning up to $20 per referral, upgrade plans, and the safest and easiest way to earn online. At the moment, they have already paid $27,000 to their almost 15,000 registered members. Now, before I start to show you the step-by-step process, I just want to remind you to watch this entire video so that you'll understand everything about this method so that you can get started in making money immediately. So step 1, let's sign up for an account in Swingbox. To do that, just click on the register button right here and fill up the registration form. Just fill it up with your full name, username, email address, and password. You also need to provide your payment details. The payment methods on this website include Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM. If you do not have any of those, don't worry, it's not necessary for you to fill these up. at the moment. You can set it up anytime on your account. And after that, just finish the image verification, agree to the terms and service, and hit register. After that, you now have an account on Swingbox. Upon logging into your account, you will be presented with a selection of ads and videos that you can watch in order to earn money online. As you can see, there are a large number of companies listed on this website at the moment, which means you have a large number of possibilities. There are various companies available to you over here that provide you with new video ads that you may view. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. One of the most common problems that newcomers have is that they are unsure of which company or which video that they should watch and concentrate on in order to get the most money possible. So for those of you who are still paying attention, the first bonus tip that I'll give you is to pay attention to micro ads. Why I wanted to concentrate on this category, it's because you can generate money online just by viewing 10-second video ads. According to what you can see, after 10 seconds, the video ad is done and the YouTube video will immediately play. All that is left for you to do now is to keep watching and waiting for the next video ad to appear. Once you have done that, just wait for another 10 seconds and you'll be able to continue earning money indefinitely. So now I'd like to share with you another additional tip. You can actually turn off the volume of the video, as you can see here, by clicking on this button, and by doing so you can actually let the video play in the background. Therefore, you are free to carry on with your own activities on another tab in the browser. As you've probably seen, every time you view a video, you're guaranteed to see at least one ad at the beginning, which will generate a significant amount of guaranteed cash for you. When you have finished viewing the full ad, when the video begins, you may discover about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads scattered throughout the video, which will allow you to earn money again and again. I'm going to give you another bonus tip. I advise you to play their Click Skrig game. It is because it's super easy to do and does not take up much of your time. The way you play the game is every time you click a small box here, you have the chance to win $5. All you have to do now is choose whatever random box you may want to click, and once you click on that box, you will be sent to this ad page where you will need to stay on this page for at least 10 seconds. After that, you will be rewarded. If you're lucky enough, you can win $5 easily. You won't lose anything when you play this game because playing this game is free and does not take much of your time. All you have to do is click on a random box, and after that, you earn money. The best part is this grid resets every day, so more opportunities for you to earn money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.